Guys and girls, this is one of the trades taken this month on one of my synthetics accounts. On this video, I'm going to explain to you all the factors that made me take this trade from A to Z. If you're one of the traders in the 99% who always broke their trading accounts, then this video is right for you. And please do make sure you watch it till the end. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to my video. As you can see, it is a real account and we are going to do our live analysis on this video today. It is my sincere hope that you will both enjoy and learn a lot from this simple and easy tutorial. As you can notice, the trade is on a downtrend. Now, there are only two things to look for when the trade is trending in either way, and that is firstly, trend reversal signals, and secondly, trend continuation signals. So for this case, we are going to look for trend reversal signals only. Why? It is because the price is currently on a major support level, as you can see for yourself on the screen. So what's next is we are going to go to the lower time frames, starting with the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, is there any sign of reversal? Probably not, right? So let's now again go to the lower time frame, which for this case will be the 1-hour time frame. And on the 1-hour time frame, what do we see? Well, we see a doji candlestick right there on our very high value area. So what does this doji candlestick mean occurring at this area? Well, to answer you that question, you will have to listen to this. Doji is one of the most important Japanese candlestick patterns. When this candlestick forms, it tells us that the market opens and closes at the same price, which means that there is equality and indecision between buyers and sellers, and there is no one in control of the market. As you can see, the opening price is the same as the closing price. This signal means that the market didn't decide which direction will take. Hence, so when this pattern occurs in an uptrend or downtrend, it simply indicates that the market is likely to reverse. I hope that you have got my points right there. If not, please comment below this video and I'll make sure to read and answer your comment as soon as I lay my eyes on it. So what's next is we are going to determine our stop loss level, which will be slightly below this weak rejection right here. And we enter our trades and sit back patiently and wait for the market to do its thing.
A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see for yourself, after some time the trade did play out as we had predicted, but a word of caution, this does not mean that this is holy grail thing. Always enter your trades with proper risk management. Having said that, please do like this video for me, click the subscribe button without forgetting to turn the notification bell icon on. Thank you so much for watching and bye.